Okay, been working with Simpson Housing and got a contract for one job, and they spread my information over to another girl named Lauren and asked me to come out here to Boulder Creek here in Sammamish, 4425 Issaquah Pine Lake Road Southeast. They got some sidewalk repair that needs to be done. So, from the entrance, you come up the hill. To the left is the main office, and if you come up a little farther and you take a left in here, let me see if they got any unit numbers or letters. I don't see any. Yeah, I don't see any offhand here, but if you come in, you see this two-tone color, this greenish color here, and walk up the sidewalk at about 75 feet. Is that what I measured? About 75 feet up, you've got some concrete repairs to do here. So just so project managers know, you got fire lane that's right here that we could probably use for, since there's no fire hydrant here. If we're working, we could be right here if need be. We could also take up a few of these stalls if we needed to for staging purposes. For a concrete truck, if we were to run a pump, probably could park here in this stall here, take up these two areas right here. This is about a 40-foot by 10-foot section here. All right, so come up the sidewalk, and we've got some different measurements here. We've got, see if I can pull it up on my iPad here. So you come around the corner, and let's see here. Looking at my drawing, so I'm right here. Okay, that right at the bottom of the step, there's a 3x4. So there's a 3x4 step, concrete step at the bottom that's chipped away, and it puddles right there. They would like to remove that and replace it, and then we'll take the step out, which I didn't write the dimension there, but it is a 4-foot by 1-foot step that is 5 inches in depth. And then you've got a 4x4 at the top, 5-inch depth, needs to be taken out and replaced. There's cracking. Okay, there's sprinklers in here, so you got irrigation on the corners, so we're gonna have to be careful of that. And then round rock here on the side. Restoration wise, we'll have to do some restoration. Not much, just maybe a little bit on the corner here. Just a matter of putting the rock back if possible. You come up the steps though, about 75 feet up here on the steps, and you've got this section here, all of this and all of this over to that step. So let's come over and view it from this angle. Okay, and I will show you the drawing. So here we go. You've got a 10x4, 5-inch depth, needs to be removed and replaced, and then a 10x4, same thing. 2 panels there, 2 panels here. And then on the face of that sidewalk step there, they'd like to have us take a little bit of our mix and push it in there, try to trowel it if we could, right on the face there to make that look a little bit nicer, because we're gonna end up doing these 2 panels and these 2 panels. Again, there's irrigation up here. You've got a little drain that's right here. Probably just sits down into some drain rock. And that's it. They want to get this work done in September if possible. Broom finish. And that is it. This is for Simpson Housing. And just trying to build a relationship with these guys to get a little bit more work. Looks like I'm going in the right direction. So hopefully we can help them out with this. Thanks.